In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google map to HubSpot content. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google and searching for HubSpot. Open the official HubSpot site and sign in to your account. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and look for the content area. From there, select website pages so you can see the list of pages on your site. Choose the page you want to work on. This will open the page editor. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new module. From the available modules, click and drag a rich text module into the spot on your page where you'd like the map to appear. Using a rich text module is important because it lets you insert custom embed code. With the rich text module selected, go to the toolbar and click Insert, then choose Embed. You'll see a field where you can paste a URL or HTML. We're going to paste an embed code from Google Maps. Now switch to a new tab and open Google Maps. Find the exact location you want to display on your page. You can zoom and pan until the map shows the view you prefer. When you're ready, click Share. In the sharing window, choose the Embed a Map tab. Google will generate an iframe snippet for you. If you see size options, pick the one that best fits your layout. You can always adjust it later. Click Copy HTML to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Return to your HubSpot Editor tab. In the Embed dialog inside the rich text module, paste the HTML you just copied. You should see code that starts with an iframe tag and includes a src pointing to Google Maps. If you accidentally pasted a regular link instead of the HTML, go back to Google Maps and make sure you copied the Embed a Map code, not the link. Click Insert to place the map into your rich text module. You should now see a preview of the map in the editor. If the map looks too large or small, you can edit the width and height values in the iframe code. For responsive layouts, setting the width to 100% and adjusting the height to something like 400 pixels often works well. Also, make sure the module is positioned where you want it on the page layout. That's it. Your Google Map is embedded in your HubSpot content. This approach keeps things simple, doesn't require an API key, and gives you a fast, reliable way to show a location right on your page.